In the most recent version of Microsoft Edge, as of March 2021, you can now have your tabs along the left hand side of the page instead of being at the top as they are traditionally. This guide shows you how you can put them down the left hand side. So all you need to do is to open up Microsoft Edge, and as I say, it has to be the version with this type of icon, not the old type of Microsoft Edge icon, but this type of icon. Open it up, and then you'll see in the top left hand corner of the screen this sort of box with an arrow inside it, and when you move your mouse over it, it actually says turn on vertical tabs. Just move your mouse over that, left click once, and your tabs come to the left hand side of the screen rather than being at the top. Now if you move your mouse over any of the tabs, then they come up in full there. If you move your mouse away, they just go back to being icons. You can click on the plus sign there if you want to open up a new tab at any time. If you want to switch between the tabs, just click on the relevant icon and that will switch you between the relevant tabs that are displayed down the left hand side. So there you go, that guide showed you how to switch your tabs down to the left hand side of the screen as opposed to being on the top of the screen. Now if you want to switch them back, all you do is just click on that same icon again, and there you go, it switches them back to going along the top. Hope this guide helps, and thank you very much for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech. That's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.